In progress. Hello everyone, my name is Surya Agarwal. I'm from PCS Global Team 2. I am employee of PCS Global. I'm starting another video with installation of a TypeScript. Here I'm going to show you the installation of TypeScript, how we can install the different software using Google, and we can apply on the VS Code and we can do it. So I'm now sharing my screen to show you all these steps. So first of all, you have to go to the Google and type download VS Code. So here is the download VS Code option. We go to that. Then we have to see what our windows are, what our we have Windows or we have a MacBook. We have to see the user installation 64 bits or 32 bits. You have to see everything what we have, what our laptop contains: Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 11, or a Mac OS. So my is Windows 10. So now I am going to the Windows 10 option. I have to click in it. So yes, we're getting started. We have to go to the download option, downward. So it's downloading here. See, I already have my VS Code. So I'm canceling it after downloading this. You have to download this way in the VS Code. So after download, it's downloading. After download complete, open, show in the folder. See, it has been downloaded. It's here. If I already have it, so I will directly go to the VS Code. And open it. See, here is a VS Code. Now I have to download the packages of Node.js. So sir, we have to go to the Google and type Node.js, download Node.js. There is a website of nodejs.org. We have to go there. Then you have to go to the Windows installation. If you have a Mac installation, if you have Windows, then you have to choose what you have. So now I am having my Windows. So I have to install this Windows installer. Click on it. It will be LTS, recommended for most users, not the current users. So it's downloading here. See, After download, go to the download folder. So now we will install the VS Code first. How to install is, you have to right click on it, run as administrator. You have to choose Rise. Yes. I already have the VS Code installed in my laptop. So you have to just go to that. See here. Then we have downloaded the Node.js file. We have to go to the Node.js file. Then right click on it. Then we have to install it. Click in the installation part. Say it is preparing to install. We have to go to next. It is not coming here because I already have installed of Node.js in my laptop earlier. So you have to go to the stepwise here. You have to go to next, next, next. Then we have to complete the installation part and finish. It will take 10 to 15 minutes to install the packages, all the packages in of Node.js. I am canceling it now because I have already installed C. Finish is coming. Now we have to go to the VS Code. Here we have to go to the file. We have to go to the open folder. See, firstly we have to make a folder on this PC. Any of the drive you want in laptop or C drive or D drive. If you are comfortable with any drive, I'm making it on C drive. Right click on it, new folder, name it as TypeScript training. As you want any name of your choice. I'm naming it TypeScript training. Now I have made a folder. Now I will close it and we'll go to the VS Code. I'm going to the open folder. Then I will go to the folder which I made earlier. I made in the liquid XE. I will go to the traction and select the folder. See, we have to trust all the authorities here. See, this folder is open. We have to go to the terminal. new terminal. It will take time because my laptop is slow. That's why it's taking time. So yeah, it's coming. TypeScript. We are in a folder of TypeScript training. So we have to here check the version of Node.js. Node hyphen version. This minus sign is called hyphen terminals. So it's V16. It's 16.15.1 version in my laptop. Now we have to check that we have to now we have to make a folder name hello.js. See here, we will name as a hello.js. You can name it as anything else, but we have to make it a JS folder because we are doing with Node.js. So we have to write here the code. So now we have to go to the terminal. So earlier I told as we have made a folder of hello.js. Now I have already made my project earlier, so I will show you how can I will write the code in this. I will write the code. I will copy this code and paste it here. See, I paste it. Here is a function greater person. Then second line is written hello plus person. Then we will close the curly braces when var user Java date point. So as we run this code, we have to make another folder name as hello.ts. Okay. So we will same here. We have to copy see the code. I already have the code here. So see, you have to just copy and paste it. You all have to see this code and write it on your own because if we copy paste we couldn't do our coding practice also. That's why you have to see this code. I'm sharing this video and so that you can see this code and write it on your own. So yeah, we have done it. So now we have to run this program. So now we have to run this. We have to go to the compiler terminal. So we have to type first. We have to type tsc tsc space name of the file hello.tsc. It's tsc here because hello.ts, sorry, it ts because we have here we are running the ts file, TypeScript file. Okay, then we have to run the node.js file. So it will be no hello.js the file. Firstly, I have to save it. So now we have to write again tsc hello. dot ts, then node hello dot js. See, the output is coming here. See, this is the output. Here Java deployment, as we have taken the user written as hello and user var user as Java deployment, so we can get the output as hello t Java deployment. Okay, so that's why only we have to. This is a sample, so we have to this one to write the codes making folder. So now I'm starting the first of this test. Now we have to make the file name as ts, sorry, test one dot ts. See, I have made it. You have to copy paste the code, same code that I showed in the video part. See, in previously we have taken as a var user Java deployment. Now we are taking as any name. Okay, so now we have to just make another folder. Just you have to change it. You can write your any name. By making a folder test.js. So here you have to same copy the code, and then you can paste. See, here we can take as say hello dot java deployment. As you can write anything else also. This is your wish. I am taking hello dot Suraj. Okay, I'm taking as it and comma. Okay, so now we have to save it. As we save it, we have to run it. So the running command is tsp test one dot ts, then node test one dot js. See, the output is coming. Has been taken the name of my in the war chat, and in ts it is Suraj. Okay, this way only we have to make more files. Test2.ts, one minute guys, I have a call. I have to take this call. Sorry guys, I have an important call. I have taken it. Now we have started resume this video. So where we are, yeah, I am making test 2. So in test 2 we have to go to the same code. I am copy paste it. I have done earlier, that's why I'm copying paste. You don't have to copy paste from anywhere else. You have to just see this and type it. If you will type it, your coding typing practice will be done and it will be speed. So here the test1 on, then we have to make one more folder, test2.js. Yeah. Making test2.js. See, I'm copying basic code here. Here you can also change the name, say hello.js, you can say hello PCS Global. Suraj here. Hello everyone. Now you have to go to the file, you have to go to save all, and go to the terminal. Just like previous one, you have to run it. ts, the name of the file test2.ts. Then you have to know from the gs file as node test2.js. See, the output is coming. Here is coming hello Java 2 because I haven't changed the name in JS file. I haven't changed anything. See, if I change here, see, if I change here, say hello Suraj from PCS Global, and from close, and the JS file also I have to change it. Say hello, what I written in the JS file. Hello Suraj from PCS Global. It have to now I have to save. Then the output will come here. Then I have to run once again tsc test2.ts and node test2.js. Remember one thing, if you are writing the node every point js because it is a node.js file and it is TypeScript file, we have to write only type.ts. Remember this, don't do mistakes in this, otherwise you will not get the output. See, here is coming, say hello Suraj from PCS Global. Like this only we have to make the test till test 18. I am making one more, last one, 3.ts. Here is the code. Now we have to make it test 3.js. Guys, don't worry about the codes because if you stuck anywhere, you will get it. Sorry, I have done a mistake. I have got the JS file here and TS file there. I have done a mistake here, so I am correcting it. What is TS file is here. I am doing this once more. This will be the JS file. Done. Here is the name as welcome to TypeScript. Yeah, you can type anything else also from PCS Global Switch. In JS file also you have to write same thing from PCS Global Switch. So now we have to save it and see that it's running or not. TSC, remember TSC test3.ts for node.js file running, node. It's not found error because the root file command, so it's not coming there. It's having some problem. 1 minute. There was a problem in my system, so now I'm continuing. Here, if we create, firstly we have created JS file. In JS file, we have created TS file. See, when we create a TS file here, see, the JS file automatically get created. If it's not created, we can create it once more, as I showed you here in the right click, right table, test name, then create it. Okay. So now I was in test 3. Now I have to save it. There a mistake I have done was I have not given the plot point here for TS5. So now I'm giving it TSC test 3.ts. Now node test 3 point. See, the output is coming here. That's it. Same way we have to do the next till 18. We have to do test. Same programs. Run it. If you stuck anywhere, you can see my video. Repeat it again, and you can do it. So now, hope you understand how we'll create a TypeScript, how was the TypeScript training, and how we'll create the TypeScript project. So thank you all. Mm, Now I'm just ending it. Hope the soon I will bring the next video for you all guys. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe this video if you see helpful and useful. Thank you so much from Suraj, PCS Global Pvt. And yeah, I am with one more participant of mine. His name is Megha. Yeah, she's into with me. She's a partner of me. Yeah, she's Megha from PCS Global team. Thank you from Suraj and Megha. PCS Global team too. Thanks a lot.